Next on PBS Kids. It's WordWorld.
Oh no, it's WordWorld. My brother likes that show. What should I do? I know. I will make a fake emergency alert system through the TV. Ha 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 ha. Let's go to the E's headquarters. There. Now that I am in here, time to make the emergency alert system. I am going to watch WordWorld.
Welcome to the place where words come alive.
Let's build a word. Word world. Jump to the beat.
Clap your hands in the air.
Let's build a word.
The National Weather Service in City has issued a tornado warning for areas in state. Asterisk until time. Asterisk at time, a paracumulonimbus from wildfire is capable of producing a fire-induced tornado and outflow winds in excess of speed. Miles per hour was located, distance from location, /near location, / rural location, moving. Direction at speed, miles per hour. Hazard. Damaging / deadly, tornado. Source. Radar indicated rotation / radar confirmed tornado / weather spotters confirmed tornado / law enforcement confirmed tornado / emergency management confirmed tornado / broadcast media confirmed tornado impacts. Extreme fire behavior with strong outflow winds capable of downing trees and starting new fire.
By emergency information, news, or instruction. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Wah! Dad. Please come here. Oh my goodness. What happened? Someone made an emergency alert system. I believe it was Scott. Oh my god. Now they have to broadcast another emergency alert system to tell everyone that the alert was a false alarm. I think Scott will be in big trouble. Hi Dad. I am home. Sorry I had to go for a walk. Okay, it's okay. Oh my. My phone is ringing. Oh. Hi.
Sir? Your son made an emergency alert system. It was fake. Not real. Nobody wasn't here while it was on. Your son have to pay a $500,000 fine for this. There is no tornado. We are going to broadcast another emergency alert system to tell everyone that the alert was a false alarm.
Okay, thanks for telling me. He will be in so much trouble. Thanks for letting me know what he did.
No problem. Mr. Hernandez.
Scott. I got a phone call from Mr. Android saying you made a fake emergency alert system. Why did you do that? Why? I did not like WordWorld. So I have to make it so Samir could not watch it. Oh. Scott. How dare you make an emergency alert system? Thanks to you. Now they are going to broadcast another emergency alert system, because it was really fake. Not real. That is so it. You are grounded until 2026. Now go to your room now. Wah!